Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Acorns investment account step by step clearly. To cancel your Acorns investment account, first, open the Acorns app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner. Navigate to the settings section. Scroll down until you find the Acorns account option. Tap on Acorns account to access your account settings. Look for the Cancel Account option. Read through any information provided about account cancellation. If you're ready to proceed, tap on the Cancel Account button. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Complete any required fields before finalizing the process. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for cancellation. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Check your email for any further instructions or information. Your investments will be liquidated according to Acorns policies. Ensure you have withdrawn any remaining cash from your account. Keep track of your investment history for your records. After cancellation, your account will no longer be accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.